So good morning, everyone. Today we'll be discussing conjunctions. We have already learned the types of conjunctions and what are conjunctions. Today we'll be discussing the exercises. Homework was given, exercise 2 and exercise 3. Let us start the discussion of exercises. I wish that the students raise their hand. Yes. So we'll start with Yashpreet. Yashpreet, unmute yourself. Yes, you can unmute now.
Only wise men keep focused on the ultimate outcome. Fools feel satisfied with short-term gains only.
No, beta. The answer is while. It will be while. While wise men keep focused on the ultimate outcome, fools feel satisfied with the short-term gain. Yes, Vidya.
Mr. Agarwal is the proprietor as well as manager of the firm.
Right answer, as well as, or it can be and. Both the options will be correct, and as well as. Next, Anji, Mahib.
Yes, ma'am. We need to be tactful lest we should hurt other people's feelings.
Right answer, less. We have learned that should के साथ less और less के साथ should to show the negative purpose. जब हमें negative purpose show करना है तब less के साथ हम should use करते हैं. हाँ जी, निष्का बोलिए बेटा.
I would not join the expedition unless you are there.
Right answer, unless is used for condition. So unless you are there. Next. हाँ जी, अंकित बोलिए बेटा.
You can give my reference if you think that would help.
Right answer, if you think that would help, or in case you think that would help. Both the options will be correct. If is also correct, in case is also correct. Hanji. Next, moving further on exercise 3. Let me ask Jannat, बोलिए बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Next vacation, he will whether learn swimming or go for trekking in the hills.
Either beta. He will either learn swimming or go trekking in the hills. Right? Hanji.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Hanji Jay, unmute yourself and speak.
As the child, so is the man.
As the child, so is the man. Right answer. Hanji, next. Arush, is he there in the class? ईशा अनम्यूट करें बेटा अपने आप को. You don't know the answer. Okay. तुषार बोलिए बेटा. तुषार शर्मा.
Hardly the bus touched the highway, all the students started singing songs.
Beta, what is the option you have spoken?
Ma'am, all.
No. It will be hardly had the bus touched the highway when the students started singing songs. Next is, yes, I will ask. अर्शदीप अनम्यूट करें अपने आप को. Arshdeep Singh, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth sentence.
Fourth sentence.
Yes, beta. Exercise 3, fourth sentence.
Mega will certainly qualify the entrance test.
Sorry. Beta, exercise B
Megha.
of conjunction. Megha. No, it is not the sentence. Beta, be attentive. यशप्रीत बोलिए बेटा. यशप्रीत, unmute yourself and tell the answer.
Ma'am, I don't know this one.
You don't know this answer. Okay. चलिए. माहिब बोलो बेटे.
Yes, ma'am. The new principal turned out to be as efficient as her predecessor.
The new, this is the fifth sentence, right? The new principal turned out to be as efficient as her predecessor, right answer. Have we discussed fourth sentence? I don't think we did. Jashan, unmute yourself. Jashan, unmute yourself, bete. Fourth sentence.
Yes.
Fourth sentence, beta.
Ma'am, I know the fifth, fourth नहीं किया.
Fourth नहीं. Nishka, have you done this?
Yes. If people as are not true to themselves can never be true to anyone else.
No, this is not the right answer. Yes, Vidya. Yes, Mahip, your answer is right. Both of you have written the right answer. It is such people as are not true to themselves can never be true to anyone else. So in option, it will be such. So I hope all the sentences which were in the homework are clear to you. Now we'll do exercise 4. Take 2 minutes. Do this exercise right now and we will discuss it. So let us discuss exercise 4, where you are to fill in the blanks with the suitable conjunction. Yes. One sentence each student will complete as it is in the form of a paragraph. One sentence each student will complete. हाँ जी निष्का बोलिए बेटा.
A war was raging all around and the entire village was in panic when the two children slept soundly on a cot.
Would you please repeat? Would you please repeat, Nishka? I missed on what you said.
A war was raging all around and the entire village was in panic when the two children slept soundly on a cot.
But the two children, beta. Then meaning but. And raging. Pronunciation of this word is raging. Next. हाँ जी विद्या बोलिए बेटे.
The old lady spent the whole night trembling with fear. Since the morning came, she realized she was without food.
It is since नहीं, when the morning came. जब सुबह हुई, she realized that she was without food. Yes, Mahif, next.
Yes, ma'am. No, she had money with her. There was no possibility of getting anything to eat.
Since she had no money, there was no possibility of getting anything to eat. हाँ जी बेटे. It can be although also. Although she had, बेटे since नहीं आएगा. Although she had money with her. Since नहीं आएगा, although आएगा. चाहे उसके पास पैसे थे, but वो खाना खाने की कोई possibility नहीं थी. So although she had money with her, there was no possibility of getting anything to eat. Right? Next, Ankit बोलिए बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
Ankit,
all the stores were either empty or closed because there were no food supply coming from
Right.
the
There were
country.
right answer. All the stores were either empty or closed because there were no food supplies coming from the countryside. हाँ जी, next जन्नत बोलिए बेटे.
At home, she had a couple of goats, but she did not know how to milk them. Once again, fear clutched her at her heart.
Right answer. हाँ जी, सुखमन बोलिए बेटा.
I knew that you could not milk the goats, therefore I have milked them for you, said Mr. Lee. Here's milk for your children.
I knew के बाद क्या बोला आपने बेटे? सुखमन, I knew.
Ma'am, that.
Right answer. Right answer. I knew that you couldn't milk the goat, so I have milked them for you. Said Mr. Lee, here is milk for your children. Next, Isha बोलिए बेटा.
The old lady could not decide whether it was
I think Isha has some network issue. Isha, you unmute yourself and speak it again. Speak the answer again.
the old lady could not decide whether it was a mere coincidence and God had come to help her.
Or God had come to help her. Right? Whether and or. I hope all the answers are clear. Now we'll move further to fifth exercise. First 5 sentences. Right now, we'll discuss them. Okay. हाँ जी बेटे. So let us discuss exercise 5. Exercise 5 is that there are sentences given. There is a conjunction in each sentence, but the conjunction is wrongly used. The wrong conjunction is used in the sentences. You are to pick out the wrong conjunction and write the correct answer. So for this, we will speak the whole sentence, the wrong one also and the right one also. Right? So I'll give you an example of the first one. First sentence is, we cannot postpone discussion on this issue although it is urgent. Right? Now here conjunction although is used and it is wrong. The correct answer will be, we cannot postpone discussion on this issue because it is urgent. So the correct conjunction is because. This is how you have to explain all the sentences. Chaliye. I would ask Sukhman, बोलिए बेटा.
She cried as something had ripped open her heart. As की जगह मैम that आएगा.
No, as की जगह that नहीं आएगा. हाँ जी, माही बोलिए बेटे.
मैम यहाँ पे एज कट के एज इफ आएगा.
As if or as though something has ripped her heart. Right? Priya, next sentence बोलिए बेटा.
I will accept the responsibility while the time comes. While मैम इसकी जगह आएगा when.
Right answer. So conjunction which is used wrongly is while and the correct will be when. I will accept the responsibility when the time comes. Correct answer. Hanji. Arshdeep. Arshdeep, unmute yourself and tell the answer, bete.
Ma'am, I don't know words.
हाँ जी बेटा. So the sentence which we were discussing is third sentence. So correct answer is I will accept the responsibility when the time comes. Now moving further, we'll go for fourth sentence. Isha, बोलिए बेटा. हाँ जी बेटे. Yes, बेटे. We are on fourth sentence now. Yes, the fourth sentence is the offer is good. You will regret unless you